Hi guys, here is another question. Is given us two equations. We solved that one before or something like that before, and we need to find the value of s, and we got two equations right here. I said before we need to find the value of r, which is the coefficient of x, because this has infinitely many solutions that they have the same slopes. So over here, the r is 12 over 4. This is the coefficient of x, 12 over 4, which is going to be 3. So we can just type in the equation as we said in x1, 12x1 plus 28 over 4 minus s over 13 tilde r. Here's x1 minus 8. Close your parentheses. And if you want to do the condition, so you put s greater than 0, like it says. Then, as we said, we know that the r is equal to over here is equal to, we said 3. Oh, now you see the draw. No, this is not going to give us anything because the r, when you put r equals to 3, it's going to give you an equation with the circle on it. Let me show you how it's going to look like this, but we don't need this circle. So here is how we solve this problem. We change this r into r1, and we go down here and put r1 as well. Now you hit the enter, and we hit the enter as I said, then it's going to give you the value of S, which is 403, and this is your answer. Try it yourself, please, on Desmos calculator and see if you can get it. Thank you.